In this video, we're going to show you how to change a motor on your ride-on car. If your motor begins to develop a fault, don't worry, as the motor is one of the easiest parts to replace on your ride-on car. All motors and gearboxes, regardless of voltage, look and work the same. The connections are usually identical. However, the locations of the connections can vary. In this video, we're going to show you the most common way of changing the motor and all gearboxes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or pick, a crosshead screwdriver, a set of pliers if your wheel is secured by split pins, and the wrench that comes with the car. First, begin by removing the seat from the car. This is most commonly secured with a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the red positive terminal from the battery to ensure there is no power to the car. Next, remove the wheel trims. You may need a sharp implement such as a flathead screwdriver to remove these. Take extra care when removing the trims as these clips are brittle. Be patient when removing to ensure the clips do not break. Once these have been removed, we can now remove the wheel. Wheels are secured in 3 different ways: push and pull mechanism, bolt or split pin. Remove the wheel from the car, remembering how the hardware is assembled. You can take a photo of this to make this easier to reassemble. Next, we need to go into the seat compartment and identify where it connects into the motherboard PCB. Push the tab and remove the clip from the motherboard. The motor can then carefully be slid off the axle and removed from the car. To reassemble, slide the motor back onto the axle. Push the connections into the seat compartment and connect the plug back into the motherboard. Attach the wheel the way in which it was removed, making sure that the hardware is replaced in the correct order. Ensure the wheel lines up with the gearbox, being careful not to over-tighten. Attach the wheel trims. Attach the red positive battery terminal and turn on the car. Ensure that the motors move freely with no obscure noises. Once you are happy this is working as intended, replace the seat. And that's it. You have successfully changed a motor on your ride-on car.